you are on top of the world the day you wear stars on your shoulders. So I used to host a radio program in Jaipur, and it was called the Colonel Show. And uska tagline I had written was "Kandhe par star अच्छे लगते हैं यहाँ."
Hello to all my fellow proud Indians and welcome back to Soldiers of India. In this part of the interview, Colonel Amardeep Singh will talk about what does it feel like to finally get commissioned as an officer of the Indian Army. What is that feeling like when your parents at the pipping ceremony are putting those stars on your shoulders after months, or in Sir's case, 4 years of rigorous training? What is it like to finally see yourself as an officer? Sir will also talk about his first posting in Punjab, which was a peace posting. What was that like? How different is it to be in academy and then actually being with your unit, your battalion at your posting? How do you make a place for yourself in your unit? How do you win the command of your officers, your juniors?
You are on top of the world the day you wear stars on your shoulders. So I used to host a radio program in Jaipur, and it was called the Colonel Show. And uska tagline I had written was "Kandhe par star अच्छे लगते हैं यहाँ." So I think we
Wow.
were commissioned. We were commissioned. I was commissioned at 22 and a half years of age. There are boys getting commissioned 21 years, wearing a single star. It is so, mother, you feel so proud. Somebody had put on Twitter, what career would you choose given a choice again in the next birth or next this thing? I said, sir, I would choose the same career, the same battalion, 100 times over, not just once. The uniform is so charming. The thrill that you get just by wearing the uniform, I think no other thing can make you so happy.
कंधे
So,
पे स्टार अच्छे लगते हैं यार. Wow, sir, that
कंधे
is
पर
so
स्टार अच्छे लगते
wonderful.
हैं.
Too good, too good.
Yeah.
So yes.
When I got commissioned, my battalion was deployed in Punjab, and that was the I got commissioned in June 1993. Terrorism in Punjab was at the fag end. It was almost over, but the Op Rakshak was still on in Punjab, and we were not allowed to go out in a single vehicle. We had a protection sitting in the vehicle whenever we went out, and infantry unit. I did not know what to expect. I used to think I am hell of a funny khan. And then when you join the battalion, you realize, yeah, you are nothing. It was like day one in NDA. You don't know anything. There are hundreds of jawans, and they also know कि young officer है, इनको कुछ नहीं आता है. ठीक है, IMA has trained you well. You will know tactics and all the good-looking terms and all that. But actually, in all army is about man. How do you make your mark in the battalion? So what happened was, I went. My company commander, God bless his soul, is no more. The officer who died in Kupada after 2.5 years, he was no more. So his name was Major Bakali. Again, very, very fine gentleman. He says, Amardeep. I just said, sir, I am Second Lieutenant Amardeep. So he said, okay, theek hai. Tomorrow morning, 4 o'clock, cross country, I want you to be running with the boys. So I didn't know what has happened. So next day, 4:15, I used to think I am physically very fit. I was at least 1 kilometer behind the last man in the cross country team. That is the level of physical difference in the physical fitness. Yes, if the entire company runs, I'll come. I will have boys behind me or senior NCOs behind me. But only 13 to 14 boys running in the cross country team. I finished this thing, so I was given the first dressing down on day one. This is not the physical standard that we expect. So second lieutenant Amardeep had no option but to catch up. Morning and afternoon was cross country. क्रॉस कंट्री खत्म करके आएंगे 6 बजे बटाल की पीटी भी करनी है आपने. उसके बाद एंड यू डोंट अगेन you don't know what has hit you. But then you have your senior subaltern, you have young officers, your bachelors who are guiding you at every step. And in 3 to 4 months time, you start feeling at home. And then you realize that what a nice feeling it is to be part of infantry unit. It is like a family which has got 1,000 members, everybody meaning well of each other. So in cross country, what happened? In the final run, one boy sprained his ankle. In my company, they came first. I was the second last chap in the entire cross country, battalion cross country. That is how officers, young officers, घर में 10 दिन की छुट्टी मिलती है आईएमए के बाद, तो मम्मी पराठे पराठे खिला के वेट बढ़ाया हुआ था, वो 15 दिन में सारा वेट खत्म हो गया. सो आई कैरिड दिस बाय फॉर द लास्ट 400 meters. उसको पूरा साथ में दौड़ाता हुआ लाया, so that he also finished the race. And the CEO and the company commander were very happy that this young man did not think of his position, but he has helped somebody in coming, in completing the run. Otherwise, that company, and he was from other company. He was not from my company.
Okay.
So then that was the first time you make your mark in the battalion, that people start taking you seriously. And then I was given the charge of training the boxing team. We stood second in the, say we, our brigade had 5 battalions. So coming second among Gurkhas and Sikh was a commendable thing. And then people are observing you day in and day out. And then you went for exercise, then you went for training, then you went for watermanship training. Infantry battalion is always something, some of the other activities on. And it takes you around 4 to 5 months to get accepted as part of the family.
Okay.
So tab tak you are on your toes, and but yes, there are people to guide you.
Yeah.
So it was very, very this thing, and it was peace station. And after at the end of 2 years, you are all set to go to Kupwara. That is the first field assignment.
Let's together get to know the real heroes of India. Let's together make India a less forgetful and a more grateful country. This is me, Mishika Parak, signing off. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.